Magandang gabi. Binasag na ni Attorney Angelica Austria Chua Mandanas ang kanyang pananahimik kaugnay ng kaniyang pagpapakasal kay Governor Ermelando Inco Mandanas ng lalawigan ng Batangas. Narito ang kanyang pahayag sa ginanap na resepsyon ng kanilang kasal sa Marble Terrace ng panlalawigang Kapitolyo.
Love. Kitang-kita nyo naman po, in love na in love. Ang gobernador ng lalawigan ng Batangas. Ako daw po ang huling magsasalita para alam nyo na from now on, I have the last say. You know, I always believed in the law of attraction. And believe it or not, I actually manifested this day. I've always wanted and I knew that I'd marry a politician because I know I'd make a great partner. I know that my wedding will be the wedding of the year. Lahat ng mga pamilya ko at mga relatives ko at mga friends ko alam na lagi kong ginagawang joke na my wedding will be wedding of the year. So finally, after countless times na tinanong ako kailan ako mag-aasawa, finally I have the answer. May 8, 2024, and when the governor announced that he will get married, ang tanong naman sa akin was, bakit ang bilis? So, ang answer ko, hayaan nyo na mabilis para konti lang yung preparation, konti lang yung away namin ni Gov. You just don't know how hard it is to fight with a governor. Especially if the couple is like a governor and a lawyer. So, bibigyan as an icebreaker, papakitaan ko kayo paano nag-aaway ang governor and ang lawyer. Love. Nahiya na siya sa mga sasabihin ko. So, one time nag-aaway kami. So, syempre ayaw ko magpatalo kasi abogada ako. Ayaw magpatalo. So, with his very low voice and very calm voice, he said, I am the governor. And then I said, I don't care if you're the governor. In this relationship, you're my boyfriend and not a governor. And now I cannot wait to change my script that you're my husband and not a governor. And then one time naman, we were fighting again about a legal provision. So syempre, abogado na naman ako. Ayoko na naman magpatalo. So, I said, I'm a lawyer. Sabi niya, oh, I'm a lawmaker. So, sabi ko, parang talo yata ako doon. Lawyer, lawmaker. So, sabi ko na lang, okay, no boom boom. So sabi niya, sorry na. But before ako mapagalitan, for not acting like the First Lady of Batangas, I just want to clarify that boom boom only means kiss. Only kiss. You know, with the governor, you know how religious he is? Nothing below the belt. So, kung nagtataka kayo kung bakit napabilis ang kasal, alam niyo na kung bakit. And finally, before I end my speech, of course, I would like to acknowledge, of course, a lot of people don't know nung nag-announce yung governor, sino ba yung Angelica Austria Chua na yan? But even that, I manifested, you know? Lagi kong niloloko yung mga friends ko, pangarap ko magtanong yung mga tao, who is she? So ngayon, finally, nagtatanong yung mga tao, sino ba yung Attorney Angelica Austria Chua na yan? And I think I think you saw in the internet that I'm a partner of Platon Martinez Law Offices in Makati. But more than that, of course, I would like to acknowledge na mas napadali ma-accept ako sa Batangas City because of my family. Of course, I am the most favorite daughter of my father, Dr. Wilson P. Chua, who came from a political family from Ibaan, Batangas, of course, with the former Mayor Artemio Boy Chua, with my uncle, former Mayor William P. Chua, and of course, former Mayor Numeriano Tereja. And of course, my mother, who is the executive judge of Batangas City, Judge Maria Cecilia Austria Chua, and who was the brain behind the Mandanas ruling, for which the governor is very, ang tawag dito, proud and well-known. Thank you, Mom. And of course, my siblings, Dr. Alexandra Chua Haro of Haro Aesthetics. O, ate, meron kang plug. Who is married to Gilbert Haro of Cavite, and with their 2 children, Maria Aurora Zia and Gilbert Haro Jr. Of course, my maid of honor, who is single and very, very much ready to mingle, Abigail Chua, Dr. Abigail Chua, and of course, my youngest sister, Attorney Aliana Micaela Chua Eke, who's married to Dr. Jones Eke. So you know, we're just a typical Asian family. So, I would like to, hindi ko na naisip kung paano i-end yung speech ko. But thank you very much, everyone, for being here. And we just have a very short program. Please, please stay. And of course, I also would like to thank, we wanted a very small wedding, talaga, discreet. But it was because of our Ninong William Tieng and Ninang Aida Tieng, whom they made this grand wedding possible. Maraming salamat po, Ninong and Ninang. And of course, before I end, I would like to thank the Mandanas family for welcoming me with open arms. Sa totoo lang, nung una kaming nag-meet ng siblings ni Gov, takot na takot talaga ako. Sabi ko, love, huwag ka mag-CR ha. Huwag ka mag-CR kapag huwag mo ko iwan sa kanila. Natatakot ako. But they were very, 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 very welcoming. Thank you very much po. Maraming salamat po. And sa mga hindi ko napasalamatan, mamaya meron pa akong thank you, but that's just my welcome speech. Thank you very much po sa inyong lahat. Love, I love you.